Could Tesla stock make the entire stock market crash? Maybe. Here's some things you need to understand about Tesla stock and a potential stock market crash. Now, we've seen Tesla stock shoot up since the November election, shot up above about 485, pushing almost 490. It's sitting about just below 290 right now. And what's been happening is we've seen some numbers coming out of Europe that show that sales for Tesla motors are declining rapidly. Because of that, Tesla stock, which has traditionally been a meme stock and way overpriced relative to earnings, could move back downward. Now, prior to the November election, Tesla stock was trading about $185 to $200. We're sitting about $285 right now. So moving back down to these levels wouldn't be catastrophic in itself. It would just be a correction back to normal. But we're seeing the fact that the meme aspects of Tesla stock are no longer there, and it could be that we see AMC style sell-off in Tesla stock. Going below those numbers from where Tesla stock was before the election could be an interesting period, and it could have ramifications and ripple effects throughout the entire stock market, which could pull the stock market downward. Now, keep in mind, Elon leverages his stock when he does acquisitions and borrowing and things like this. Should we see Tesla stock moving below certain levels, he could get a call and all of a sudden have to come up with some money to support those loans that he's leveraged against with his stock holdings. Because of that, being unable to do so, he may have to sell his own holdings, and that could pull Tesla stock lower. Tesla stock is trading at about 150 times price to earnings ratio. If it were trading at its actual value, a $285 stock today would be $15. If that happened, the stock market would see considerably large amounts of selling. It would pull a lot of other stocks that are overvalued downward as well. That could have ripple effects throughout the entire economy. So keep an eye on Tesla stock. It could have some big moves happening soon, and it'll affect the entire stock market, maybe even a crash.